In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify duplicates in Monday.com. It's a straightforward process that will only take about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account, click the login button, and if you're using a Google account, go ahead and select Google from the options. Choose your Google account from the list to log in seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to your specific board where you suspect you might have duplicates. Once you're on your board, glance up to the top right corner near the invite link. You'll notice 3 small dots there. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. Next, from this drop-down, you'll want to select More Actions. This is where all the power resides for maintaining and managing your board effectively. Among the options under More Actions, look for Manage Duplicates. This feature is specifically designed to help you quickly find and address any duplicate entries that might be cluttering your board. Once you've clicked on Manage Duplicates, you'll be prompted to choose a column name. This is an important step because you need to specify which column you want to check for duplicates. For example, if you suspect that there are duplicate entries under a name column or email column, select that one accordingly. This helps the tool focus on the correct set of data. After selecting the column name, proceed by clicking on the Search option. This action initiates the process of searching for duplicates in the selected column. The system scans through the entries in that column, identifying any duplicates present. And there you have it. The duplicates will be displayed, enabling you to take the necessary actions, whether you choose to merge, delete, or otherwise manage those entries. With Monday.com's built-in features, managing duplicates becomes not just feasible but highly efficient. This functionality can significantly declutter your board, allowing for better organization and increased productivity. Remember, keeping your data clean and organized is crucial for its effectiveness and usability. Happy organizing, and thank you for watching.